Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your account. Sign into your Microsoft account and enable Microsoft Rewards under your profile because rewards must be active to earn points. Once done, make sure your account region is eligible and your email verified. This prevents blocked redemptions. Next, install Microsoft Edge or use Bing as your browser since searches and Edge activities are primary point sources. Finally, link Xbox or Office accounts for stacked earning. These steps unlock the first earning channels so you can collect points immediately. Now you focus on earning efficiently. Prioritize daily sets and the weekly search quota because they give consistent base points. Use Microsoft Edge tasks and the daily quizzes. They often pay more per minute than random searches and include mobile searches to increase hourly caps. Once you get into the habit, monitor the rewards dashboard to spot limited-time offers and timed bonuses that stack with regular searches. By organizing tasks and alternating device types, you'll hit caps faster and multiply points without extra effort. Finish by redeeming points smartly. Choose gift cards or subscriptions that match value and redeem before any expiration to avoid waste. Make sure the reward is available in your region and meets minimum point requirements. Different rewards have varied availability and exchange rates. If points don't appear, first review your activity history to confirm searches counted, then wait 24-48 hours for sync. If still missing, contact Microsoft support with timestamps within 30 days. This fixes most issues and protects your balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.